Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this tutorial we will know about how to change the line into construction line and change the shape when any shape, circle, rectangle in construction line, and change this construction line to simple line. For that, first of all I select this line and here is the icon. Click on construction standard element. It will convert this line into construction line. Or again, changing this construction line into simple line, select this line and select construction standard element. For example, I want to change this circle into construction circle. Select this circle and change it construction standard element. Similarly, this rectangle, select all the lines of rectangle, press and hold control button and select the all edges. Select construction standard element. It will convert into construction lines. Again, select all these lines by pressing and hold control button from keyboard. Select all these lines which you want to convert from construction line to simple line. This was the construction standard element. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe EXPLAINCAD.